Alright guys, I did it again. Bought a car, sight unseen, big risk, but no reward if you don't take risks. Everyone knows that. What did I buy? That right there. No, not the Silverado. The GL63AMG powerhouse. All the lights are on. Don't know what's wrong with it. We'll figure it out. Pretty good condition, first glance. Not too bad. Does it start? I sure hope so. First time I've seen it. Ooh, sounds good. Everything seems to work. Some lights on. A lot of lights on. Aux battery, that has probably something to do with it. We'll see if we could fix it. Pretty good condition. Huh. We shall see. I'll dig in it. So, got out of the auction, got it on the road. Low tire pressure, I don't know if you guys can see, and a bunch of error codes. AC is not working, but I am pretty sure it's because of the auxiliary battery, and I'll tell you why. I felt a brief moment of coolness when I started moving. There's a bunch of traffic here, so I'm guessing maybe the AC fan's not starting because of that, or the AC compressor is not starting because of the error with the auxiliary battery. So anyway, even though it's 100 degrees outside, I turned off the AC because I don't know if this thing overheats or not. Looks like it's right where it needs to be, 90 degrees. So far so good. Seems to drive okay, but I don't want to jinx myself. So hopefully it will bring me back to the shop and we can start diagnosing this thing and see what's going on with it. Alright guys, so update. We brought the GL to the shop. A little late on making video, but I will show you what errors we have left. We have 4. There used to be 6, and I'll tell you how I fixed 2 of them. The auxiliary battery was here and we replaced it, and if you could see, this was the original one from 2016, and it was very hard to take out of the cage or mount, the metal mount that it has over there for the battery, because the battery was all swell up. So we have a brand new AGM battery. It's showing 12 volts. These are very easy to check. The old one was 6 volts, 6.5. Tried charging it, didn't work, wouldn't go past 8. So now that I changed it, all the errors went off. I have looked over the car. If you guys are curious to see what's wrong with the engine, is actually beautiful. It was a previous certified pre-owned, so my expertise, I guess, panned out so far at least. I don't want to jinx myself, but everything is very nice. Cam covers look nice, everything. So this was a very nice car when it was sold to the previous owner. Inside, again, these are not rips or anything, it's just creases, but we're gonna fix the other errors. And you're probably wondering, Alex, how are you gonna fix them? Airbag lights on. Well, I'll tell you what I saw while I was just looking at this. Check this out. That is the seat buckle wire that we're going to repair, and I bet you that will take care of the rest of the 4 messages, because it is airbag and all the driving assist, and I'm pretty sure that without the airbag, the driving assist features will not work. So all in all, pretty clean car. Really clean car actually once I'm done with it. Very happy with the purchase so far. So hopefully I'll have another update with you once we do that wire. Somehow I managed to delete my footage, so just showing you a quick clip that I recorded of the vehicle presentation, showing you there's no lights on the dash anymore. We fixed all 4 errors that were remaining from that seatbelt tear in the wires. We professionally repaired the wires, and the outcome was the complete resolved of those 4 errors. So those errors were an airbag, forward collision, and some other safety features that worked hand in hand with the seatbelt buckle, because if there's no seatbelt seen by the module, then the airbag won't deploy and the safety systems won't work either. So everything is exactly the way it should operate. We were able to fix this car and make it like new again, presentable with absolutely no error codes. In fact, I did drive this car for quite a while before I sold it, and it just drove flawlessly. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Until the next one, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.